traders and blowers.
714 Method Masterclass. The market moves every day. Prices rise, prices fall. In 2026, the 714 Method is going on tour across South Africa, bringing this unique way of understanding the market directly to traders.
You get to learn all the things that were not covered during the seminar.
So we've been trading live, analyzing, executing trades live with Mashaya.
This seminar is for traders who want more than strategies, more than signals, more than guessing the market. Learn to read price with structure, discipline, and clarity.
When to enter, when to get out. Real traders take profit.
Join Mashaya Albert Mtetwa and experience the 714 Method live. The market always leaves clues. Now it's time to learn how to see them. Starting in April, Pietermaritzburg, Stanger, Impangeni, Richards Bay. Then in May, Margate, Durban. In June, Sandton, Pretoria, Mahikeng, Polokwane, Nelspruit, Witbank, Bloemfontein, Kimberley, and finally in July, East London, Port Elizabeth, Cape Town.